I got this little kit because I hate cleaning windows, and this is supposed to help you reach down inside your window. So let's see what we've got in the kit here. We've got a handle, some little microfiber cleaners. Looks like there is multiple ones. There's a spongy kind, and it's almost got a fibrous feel to it. And then you've got the little microfiber ones with the fibrous feel on the other side. And then you've got the actual cleaner itself. And as you can see, they already stuck one on. So the little fiber things stick to this. So it's kind of like a hook and loop system. Neat. A little bottle so that you don't have to carry around a great big thing of fluid. Of course, some instructions. A nice little microfiber cloth, probably for glasses and stuff like that, because I don't think you're going to use that on your window. And then, of course, a nice little container to hold it all. So let me go get some cleaning solution in my little bottle, and then we'll use it and set this up. All right, I just filled this up with my favorite windshield cleaner. It's actually an automotive windows cleaner. So I'll go ahead, and it looks like you just snap this on, push the button down, and in it goes. And this has got a nice telescoping handle. Oh, it's one of the ones that you twist. You actually twist this, not that. So you can bring it there and twist it, and it locks itself into place. And then, as you can see, that will reach clear down in on your window, and you're not reaching over, and you can see that it bends. And what a lot of people don't understand is, do not spray this on your window. You spray it on this. Because why you do that is because if you spray it onto the window, you end up getting a lot of extra liquid that you don't need, and it drips everywhere. And this is just helping get everything nice and clean. And I'm just going to continue to get it nice and clean. I can't stand the film that is on the inside of a window, especially at night. It just drives me nuts. And this is really working really well. I'm happy, because it is always such a pain to try to get your windows clean. And with this thing being so thin, it really just gets right down into the crevices of your window there. That is awesome. Never thought that I'd be excited to clean a window.
But here you are killing it.
Here I am killing it. So, I wish we could see a difference, but I don't think you're going to see anything in this daytime, but I can see how shiny it is. It looks awesome. So, I'm going to go ahead and this while standing outside. I just wanted to see how difficult it is, and it actually works really well, especially with the extended. That is awesome. I love that. And I barely sprayed anything onto it, just enough to get it wet, and that microfiber does the rest of the work. Now I have to clean the outside of my windows, which I only use this for the inside of your windows, unless you want to swap out pads, and then you don't have a dirty one using on the inside, because your outside is going to be a lot dirtier than the inside. But there's nothing stopping you from using this on the outside. I just wouldn't use the same pad inside and outside. So if you're looking for something to clean your windows, this is it. I highly recommend this. Works really well. I'm going to use this bag here so that way I can store this inside. And it looks like the bag might be long enough that you don't have to, that's nice, you don't have to take it apart. I was thinking because they gave you that nice little button, you could take it apart if you want to. But there you go. I was actually thinking about that right there, and I have an idea of what I want to use that for real quick. But just go ahead and throw your little pads in there, and you can throw that underneath your seat, and you're good to go. Now this guy, I'm going to clean off my mirror real quick with it. You could probably use the spray on it, and I might, depending on if it doesn't come off. But these little guys are so good at cleaning things off. It's just taking those little specks off of it and whatever. Such good little cleaning cloths. So it's good to have that in there. Nice. I'll go ahead and throw that in there, and I'll have that too. An all-around way to clean all of your windows and stuff. Good to go.